In this video, I'm going to show you how to get cashback on Trade Republic. So the first thing you want to do here inside your app, you want to tap on cash up top, and then just below your available balance, you can see card. So tap on your card over here and then scroll to the bottom, and at the bottom, you'll be able to see benefits, and then it's going to say save back, okay? Under save back, it says earn 1% save back, and this is basically kind of cashback, okay? So let me explain what this actually does. Now, SaveBack enables you to earn while you spend, and you will get, of course, according to their website, 1% SaveBack of your eligible card payments invested into the savings plan of your choice when you spend from your cash balance, and 2% when you pay with crypto, okay? Now, to earn the maximum of 30 euros SaveBack reward, you must spend exclusively using pay with crypto, and if you use only your cash balance, the SaveBack reward is capped at 15 euros. Now, how it works, let me actually explain that as well. So to start accumulating save back as soon as you start spending, you have to of course activate it over here, which I'm going to show you how to do in a few seconds here. And to actually invest your accumulated amount, you need to activate save back and select an existing savings plan. So to do this, come over here as I showed you earlier, and then you want to go ahead and tap on save back here. And once you're inside save back, you want to go ahead and choose one of their top saving plans for your 1% save back, okay? So for example, I'm just going to go ahead and select something random over here, for example, Apple. Of course, you can select whichever one you want, and then I'm going to do select at the very bottom right here. And over here, as you can see, it's going to basically ask you how much you want to save. For example, I'm just going to do €1 over here. I'm going to tap on next. And then here you have to select if you want to do it weekly, twice a month, monthly, or every 3 months. I'm going to do weekly over here. And then you can select if you want to do in the middle of the month or start of the month. I'm just going to do start of the month over here. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and tap on create, and then your save back or cashback will be enabled. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.